Hey guys, this is Jamie Lo Tallulah, Poet Spice, and I am here because I have purchased and received my first Tonic craft kit. This is craft kit number 15, and I've been looking off and on at trying to get a Tonic kit, and like they had a couple that I really wanted, but they were in the vault and I wasn't a subscriber, so I couldn't get that, yada, yada, yada. And I've been looking to see if I wanted to subscribe to this every month. But so far, even though I love Tonic dies, the kits, I'm like, it's like a hit and a miss. One kit I like and another kit I won't. Then it'll be like 2 kits in a row I like and then another kit I'm like, meh, I don't know. So I thought it would be interesting to get this kit because it went along with the whole memory book dies. So I got it. Yay! So let's see what's in this. First you get this box. And it has the products. My box is kind of dinged up here. Now, at first I had a little bit of an issue because I got a shipping notice and then that said it shipped, and I went to check and it said, oh, shipping label printed, and then it sat in California for 5 days. So I was like, I don't know, is that a regular thing for these or whatever? So I'm glad that it was here. It got here and I'm like, okay. But I didn't, you know what I'm saying. So I'm like, okay, well, let's see. So when we open it, you've got this little thing here. There's a Tonic craft kit. Welcome to kit 15. It's the Memento Bookmakers. Gives you a list of everything that's supposed to be in it, which is good. So you can go ahead and check that against it. And then it's like, happy crafting and show Tonic. As always, we want to see your Tonic craft kit creations. Don't forget to use either the hashtag #ShowTonic or the new Tonic kit hashtag so we can show others what you've been making on your Tonic live specials or on our Tonic live specials. So that's pretty cool. So it looks like you get a decent amount of stuff, although I know some of this is just like one sheet of paper. So we shall see. So let's see what's in here. It's so much different when you see the, you know, Tonic unboxing on the TV or YouTube, and then you have a unboxing here. Okay, so I'm going to save this little section for later. You get 2 sets of book rings. You get this bronzy color and then this copper color. You guys know I do love copper. Well, maybe you don't because it's been a while since I've done some jewelry, but so copper rings and these. And they said they opened easily, so let's go ahead and check how that goes. And of course, you know, you could use any rings you wanted to use, but these are what came in the kit. So there's that. Yeah, they do open pretty easily. Oh, and they snap. And they're pretty substantial too, so that's nice. Okay, so you get 2 of those. So should we check it off the list? Let's see, what do we have? Classic bronze and antique brass. Then we have this little bottle of, I don't know what this is, crystal drops. Y'all know I'm not too thrilled about pink, but it is what it is. So this is bubblegum blush. So let's see, we can check that off our list. What's it called? Crystal drops? Crystal drops that I don't see. I don't know. Okay, we'll just put it to the side. Then you have some chestnut brown pure sheen glitter, which is, that's a pretty color. It's brown. I don't know if you can see it very well, but brown. Now, some people might have to give me some suggestions on how to use glitter, because I'm not a big glitter person. So I don't use it very often unless it's in glitter glue. And then here's confetti chestnut brown flakes. That's a pretty color. And that's that like grass stuff. I really don't like that stuff. Okay. Then you have some of these gilding flakes. And I know I had some of these before and I never used them because I didn't know how. So that's cool to get these in copper or rose gold or whatever they're calling it. Okay, so then you get a hybrid ink, which is cool because I wanted to try one of these. And it is what, acorn brown. You get I don't know what this is. Glitter marker. Strawberry bonbon. So a glitter marker. Glitter pot. Let's see. Da-da. Flakes. Okay, so then you get this expanding mousse. This is that new product that they had. And I wanted to try it, but I'm like, I don't even know what I was using this for. So it came in this kit, which is fabulous. So you have that on it. And then what color do they call it? I can't tell. Hammered copper. So how fun is that? Woohoo! So you can try it, can try it. Yeah, baby. Okay, then here's the papers. Now the only thing about this that I've noticed is you only get one of each paper. So, you know, I'm a paper hoarder. I like paper. So it's like I don't want to use it. So you get this pretty sparkly brown. You get this double-sided craft. This looks like a can band paper. So this creamy color. This, woo, look how shiny that rose gold is. Do you see that? Woo, you can see the lights and crap in my room. That's pretty. Ooh, then you have like this suede paper. Well, not suede, but like a leather feel kind of paper. These cute little hearts. And it may look pink, but it's kind of like a pinky coral brown going on there. This pretty brown paper, this cream paper, and then you have this. Ooh, how pretty is that? So you get those papers. Then you get this. So it's a monthly curated projects in a little folder. And I think they said after every third kit or something, you get a binder. And so here's what's in it. And you get this stamp set. It says, and so the adventure begins, and time to treasure our family story. The friendship lasts forever, and perfect memories of love and friendship. Oh, never forget. Oh, never forgotten. So that's cute. So you get stamps, and then you get one of these little Tonic stickers made for you by. And apparently these are like collectible things. You get this little, whatever this is, a little advertisement for the expanding mousse. I'll have to play with this and then show you guys because I don't know. Then you get some dies. So you are supposed to get this here. So you get this one, which makes your pages. And you can also make cards with this. You get this one. What does this say? Remember when. And the little corners. And then you get a layering piece here. Then you get another set where you get some of the tabs that you can make your little index card things with. I'm imagining they go with this on the other side. And this one says remembrance. I think that's what it says. No, what does it say? Reminisce, which is a good word. You don't get that word very often in anything. Here's what you use to make your holes if you want to use this. To me, it just seems easier to just use a freaking crocodile. This one is supposed to cut in photo corners so you can slide your photos in. And then some swirls and some other corners. So that's pretty interesting. So I'm interested to play with that. Now let me tell you the measurements because they didn't really say the measurements. At least I don't remember on the video. So I'm going to go from tip to tip of the cutting line. And that is like 6 3/4 by almost 4 1/2. Yeah. Like, we might as well say 4 1/2. And then the layer piece here is 4 1/2 by 3 1/4. Let's see what this one is. This one is, we'll do the short side first, 3 1/4. 3 5/8 by roughly 4 7/8. So you could actually layer these two as well. Okay, so that's my tonic kit. I'm kind of excited. It seems to be kind of like a lot of money, because I think it was $42 with shipping. But some of these products are expensive. You know what I mean? So we shall see if it's worth it. It'll be worth it if I use it. You know what I mean? I have a feeling that this little straw glitter, probably won't use that. Might use this. Can try that. You can never have too many rings. And the paper I'll probably end up hoarding. Alright, thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time. And I will try to make something with this and maybe show it then. Let me know if you would like to see a process video, a demo of the expanding mousse. And if you have some suggestions on how to use these two glitters, you can let me know that too. Because like I said, I'm not really a glitter person as far as like in the bottle. Glitter cardstock is fine. But, all right, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.